Welcome back to my channel. I'm Nikki. Tonight I'm gonna show you how I'm making my juice. First one is the kale juice and the other one is beet juice. Don't forget to subscribe for me so I can show you more of my new recipe. This is what I need for my green juice. I have 1 bunch of organic kale, half of a bunch of celeries, about 2 to 4 apples. Since I make a lot of juice for my husband and I need a lot of apples to make it sweeter. 2 pieces of turmeric, 1 big kohlrabi, already peeled and sliced, about 1 inch of ginger, a handful of green beans, 1.5 big size hot cucumber or 2 medium cucumbers, 1 lemon, but I like a little sour so I throw an extra half in there, and 1 bunch of Italian parsley. Let's get the process started. My beet juice, I'm gonna need 2 medium-sized beets, about 3 carrots, half of stalk of the celery, 3 tomatoes, 1.5 lemon, 2 turmeric roots, about the same amount of ginger, like 1 inch. I like sweet, so I make it with 4 apples, and then 1.5 cucumber already peeled because I don't want the green to turn my juice to a different color. Let's get the process started. This is a juicer that I bought from Bed Bath & Beyond, and the brand is, let me see if you can zoom in, Juice Fountain from Brazil. Elite, okay? Since kale don't produce a lot of juice and there's a lot of green left in the leaves, so I scoop all of that grind up kale and put them in a Vitamix, add some water, you know, just to equal amount so that the blender can run smoothly. As you can see, I don't have enough water in here, so it stopped. I add a little bit more water and then it's running pretty smoothly. Then I strain it to get all the green juice out of the kale. I will add about 1 teaspoon of chia seed in my freshly made juice. Cheers, everyone! Juices. Hope everyone enjoy. It's yummy and delicious. It's the great way to add more vegetable in your life.